I have a great surprise for everyone this weekend. Ha!
What is it, Dad? Tell us, please. Tell us now.
We are going on a road trip in our RV this Saturday.
A road trip in the RV? That sounds like so much fun.
How long is the road trip going to take, Dad?
We will drive for about 4 hours to reach the campsite.
We need to pack food, water, and a first aid kit.
I will pack my binoculars so I can watch animals. Dad, did you check the GPS and the route already?
Yes, the GPS is ready, and I printed a paper map too.
Tom, did you check the RV oil level and fuel gauge?
Wow. Yes, I checked everything. The RV is ready to go.
The RV is so big. I love traveling in our motorhome.
Buckle your seatbelt, Leo. Safety first on the highway.
Look at those road signs. We are on the right highway.
The GPS says we will arrive in 3 hours and 20 minutes.
Dad, can we stop at the next rest stop, please?
Yes, there is a service station in about 10 minutes ahead.
Let us fill up the fuel tank here at the service station.
And can we buy some snacks? I am already a little hungry. The scenic route is so beautiful. I love these green hills.
Take a photo, Lily. You will want to remember this view.
Do you all hear that strange noise from the engine?
Yes, it sounds different. Please pull over and check, Tom.
Dad, I can see white smoke coming from the engine.
Okay, I am pulling over to the side of the road now. Turn on the hazard lights, Lily. It is very important now.
Done. The hazard lights are on. What happened, Dad? Everyone stay calm and get out of the RV carefully now.
Mom, is the RV going to be okay? I am a bit scared.
I will open the hood and look at the engine carefully.
Be careful, Tom. The engine might still be very hot.
The engine has overheated. I can see the coolant is all gone.
What is coolant exactly? Why does the engine need it?
Coolant is a special liquid that stops the engine from overheating.
So without coolant, the engine gets too hot and breaks down?
The radiator is cracked. We cannot fix that without a mechanic.
So we need to call for roadside assistance right away now.
Hello, we need roadside assistance. Our RV broke down today. Yes, we are on Highway 14, about 20 kilometers from town.
Mom, how long will the roadside assistance take to come?
They said they will arrive in about 45 minutes, Leo.
I will put the safety triangle behind the RV for other drivers.
What does the safety triangle do exactly on the road?
The safety triangle warns other drivers that there is a broken down car.
Good idea. That will keep us safe while we wait here. I am so bored waiting here. This is not fun at all.
Leo, let us count how many red cars drive past while we wait. I see 3 red cars already. I am winning the game.
You are. Now look, there is a blue truck coming too.
I should have checked the coolant level before we left home.
It is okay, Tom. We will fix this together and carry on.
Hello. I saw your hazard lights. Do you need any help today?
Yes, please. Our RV broke down and we are waiting for assistance.
Let me have a look. I think I might know what the problem is.
Thank you so much, Mark. The engine overheated very badly.
Yes, you have a cracked radiator. That is a job for a mechanic.
Can we fix it ourselves, or do we really need a tow truck?
A cracked radiator needs welding and special tools to repair it.
So we definitely cannot fix this by the road ourselves today.
Mister, are you a mechanic? You know a lot about cars. Ha!
No, I am not a mechanic, but I do love fixing things.
I have some coolant in my car, but it will only help a little.
Any help is great, Mark. Thank you for offering to help us.
We can add some coolant now, but the crack will keep leaking badly.
So the radiator needs a mechanic no matter what we do today.
Thank
Thank you so much, Mark. You are very kind to help us today. Oh.
No problem at all. I am glad I stopped to offer you some help. I can wait with you until the tow truck arrives if you want.
That is so kind of you, Mark. We really do appreciate it.
Mark, how do you know so much about engines and car repairs?
My father taught me. He had an old car he always fixed himself.
I feel much better now that we have some help and coolant.
Me too. I am so grateful that Mark stopped to help us today.
The tow truck is here. I can see it coming down the highway.
Finally! I am so relieved the roadside assistance is here now.
Hello there. I am Dave, your roadside assistance mechanic today.
Hi, Dave. Thank goodness you are here.
Our RV broke down badly. I can see the radiator is cracked. This needs a proper garage repair.
Yes, Mark here told us the same thing a little while ago.
We will tow the RV to a repair shop about 15 minutes from here.
Can we ride inside the tow truck while the RV is being towed?
Yes, 2 people can ride in the tow truck cab with me.
The kids will ride with me, and you take the tow truck, Sarah.
I am glad everything is sorted. Have a great trip, everyone.
Thank you, Mark. You are the kindest stranger we ever met.
The mechanic says the radiator repair will take 2 hours today.
That is okay. Our ETA at the campsite will just be a bit later.
Dave, can I watch you fix the radiator in the repair shop?
Of course, Leo. Come and watch, but please do not touch anything.
Wow, how do you fix a cracked radiator exactly, Dave?
We drain it, seal the crack, and fill it with fresh coolant again.
I found a little coffee machine in the waiting room over there.
A cup of coffee is exactly what I need right now. Thank you.
I checked the GPS. Our new ETA at the campsite is 5:30 p.m.
Good. We will still arrive before dark. That is a relief.
All done. The radiator is fixed and coolant is full again.
Yay! The RV is ready. We can go on our road trip again.
Thank you so much, Dave. You really saved our family road trip.
My pleasure. And check your coolant before every long road trip.
I will always check the oil level and coolant before we travel.
Good idea. A quick check before a road trip can save so much trouble.
We are back on the highway. The road trip is not over yet.
Yes. And now we have an amazing story to tell at the campsite.
We had a breakdown, but we handled it really well as a family.
Yes, and the children were so calm and helpful throughout it all.
Wow. The campsite is so big and beautiful. I love it here.
We finally made it. This was worth every minute of the journey.
I was scared when the RV broke down, but we stayed really calm.
You were so brave, Leo. I am very proud of you today, son.
I learned today that strangers can be really kind in emergencies.
Yes, Lily. And always ask for help when you really need it.
Despite the breakdown, this was a wonderful family road trip. Yeah.
And we learned a lot of very useful English on the way here.